Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare brown stew chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. The ingredients for this brown stew chicken will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's your ingredients for your brown stew chicken. I got some chopped sweet pepper, I got some chopped tomatoes. Also you're gonna need some ketchup, you're gonna need browning, also you're gonna need some vinegar to wash off your chicken when you finish cleaning it up. I got some chopped onions, I got some fresh thyme, I got some pimento seed, I got 1 teaspoon of paprika, I got some chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, I got 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, 1 teaspoon of chicken season. Also I got some chopped scallion, and here I got 8 pieces of chicken thighs. Now guys, I'm going to start out by cleaning up my chicken. I'm just going to add some water in my basin. Guys, I'm going to clean off all these skins off of it, and especially the fat from around it. That's how you want to do it, guys. Clean up your chicken properly. You don't want to have no excess fat on your chicken when you're cooking it. So you want to do it, guys. Scrape off all of that fat. When you finish cleaning up your chicken, cleaning off all of these fats off of the rest of your chicken and taking off the skin, you're going to wash it in your vinegar. Cut away that rawness. You don't want to be seasoning up no raw chicken. So make sure you wash it with your vinegar, guys. Guys, I'll get back with you when I'm finished cleaning up my chicken and show you the result of it, how it's supposed to look. Now there you have it, guys. So you want to clean up your chicken, take off all the excess fat off of it. Yes guys, clean it off properly. See, there's no fat on the side, nowhere, guys. That's how you want to clean it up. And you're going to add it to a separate basin. Now I'm finished cleaning off my chicken thighs, cleaning up my chicken thighs. There you have it. So you want to clean them up, clean off all that excess fat and skin. Yes guys, this is it, all the fat and skin that come off my meat. Now guys, I'm going to wash my meat with my vinegar, cut away that rawness from it. Yes guys. There you have it. I'm just gonna give your meat a wash now in your vinegar water. Cut off all of that rawness before you season it up. I'm just gonna take it off that water now. There you have it. That's how you wanna clean up your meat. Clean off all that excess fat and skin and wash it with your vinegar. Cut away that rawness. Now I'm just going to chop some of my chicken thighs in two because they're too big. So you remember you're doing stew chicken too, so you have to chop them in two. You have to make them small. There you have it. That's how you want to do it. Chop them in two like that, small. Guys, see when I'm finished chopping up my chicken. Now guys, I'm finished chopping up my meat. Put it with this board. Now I'm going to start to season up my chicken. I'm going to start out with my all-purpose chicken seasoning, my paprika, also my pimentos. I'm just going to give that a rub now, guys. Rubbing all of the seasoning on your meat. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of browning. have it. Just gonna give that a rub now. Rubbing the browning on your chicken. Guys, you don't want to add too much browning to it, because you don't want your meat to get black when you're frying it up. It's gonna turn black. Guys, after rubbing in my browning, now I'm just gonna add my scallion, my chopped scallions. Just gonna add my onion, also with my thyme, my Scotch bonnet pepper, also my bell peppers. Just adding them in. I'm just gonna give that a rub now, guys. Put in all of that seasoning. Rub, guys, rub in all of your seasoning and everything that you just put in there on your chicken. So you rub it in properly. I'm just gonna cover this up now and leave it to marinate for half an hour before I start to cook it. When this is finished marinating, guys, you see how I do it. Now, guys, in the meanwhile my chicken is marinating, I'm just gonna peel some Irish potato to add in the pot. When my chicken is cooking down, guys, I'm just gonna add these Irish potato to it. Just peeling them. I'm gonna cut them up in cubes, guys. I'm gonna cut them up small. I'm gonna show you how you do it. Guys, that's what you want to do when you finish peeling it. You just want to slice them in two. Just like that, guys. So you want to cut them up in cubes till you finish cutting them up like this, guys, and peeling all your Irish. You're going to rinse them off before you add them to your pot. Catch me back when I finish peeling all my Irish potatoes. Yes, guys. Now there you have it. So you wanna cut up your Irish potato to add to the pot while it's cooking down. Yes, guys. Now I'm gonna rinse them. Rinse off all of any dirt or anything that's on it. Yes, guys. See you back when I'm finished. Now my chicken is finished marinating. Just removing this clean thing. There you have it, guys. So beautiful and smelling so nice. Now, guys, I'm just gonna preheat my pot. Just preheat your pot, guys, for about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, my pot is preheating. I'm just gonna add a quarter cup of oil to my pot. Spread that around the edges, around the sides. Yes, guys. Just leave that to heat up. See when my pot is finished preheating. Now, guys, my oil is hot and it's ready for my chicken to go into fry. Guys, when putting in your chicken, you want to take out the excess seasoning off of your meat before you put it into the pot. Yes, guys. Just pick them off, shake them off. Add them in, guys. Just take off your seasoning and add them to your pot. Let's try it. Make sure your fire is on medium heat. Okay, you have it. I'm just going to give these fry them around now. So you want to do it, guys. See back when my chicken is finished frying. Now after that 8 minutes of frying, guys, now I'm going to remove these. Just put them in a baking pan and then add the rest of my chicken in. Guys, now I'm going to add the rest of my chicken. Remember, guys, to shake off your meat, the chicken, take off the excess seasoning, the scallion and thyme and stuff that you put in there. Have it. I'm going to leave this to fry for about the next 8 minutes before I look back and guys see when I'm finished frying up this chicken. Guys, and you want to make sure when they're frying, you want to make sure you stir them around so they don't stick to the bottom of your pot. Yes, guys, as you can see they're getting that brown color. Okay. Just give that some more time. Finish cooking. Finish frying. Guys, also in the meanwhile that your chicken is frying, you're just going to add some water to your seasoning that you had your chicken in. Just add a little bit of water to it. Guys, that's when you add back the rest of your chicken with the rest that you have your frying. You're going to throw the water on the seasoning. Just throw it and pour everything into your pot, guys. Now, guys, these are finished frying up. Now I'm just going to add the rest of my chicken that I fried before into these one. Okay, add it in, guys. Right, let's give it a stir. Now I'm just going to add my seasoning where I did have my chicken in, season up in. So add some water into it, guys, as I told you before. Add about 3 cups of water into it. Now I'm just going to pour it in. There you have it. And make sure you scrape out all of that seasoning. Now guys, you're just going to give this a stir now. Make sure you're seasoning down into it. So that, guys. This can take some more water. Like a mixed cup of water to you guys. There you have it, guys. Make sure the water kind of cover the chicken a bit. Now I'm just going to leave this to cook down for about 20 minutes before I add Irish and my tomatoes to it. Let's guys see when this finished cooking down. Checking back on my pot now, guys, after that 20 minutes. Wow, it smells so delicious, guys. Smelling amazing. Wow. I wish you guys were there in the kitchen to smell this. It's so nice. I'm just going to add my tomatoes in. Also my Irish potatoes. I'm just going to give that a stir now. Stir it around. So you want to do it. Now you're going to leave this to cook down again for about the next 20 minutes before you add your ketchup and your butter. Yes, guys. Now checking back on my pot. This wow, it smells so amazing, guys. I wish you guys was here to smell it. Yes, guys. Now guys, I'm gonna add my butter in. Get a different spoon. Just adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Guys, so I want to do it. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm just going to give that a stir. Just stir that in, guys. The butter and the ketchup is what's going to give your gravy that lovely texture, especially with your Irish potato in there. It's going to give it a nice texture, guys. Wow, it's going to be so lovely, guys. This guy's now going to leave that to cook down some more for about next 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can turn it off. See when it's finished, guys. Now checking back on my pot after that 15 minutes. Yes guys, there you have it. Smelling so lovely. Guys, this is all ready now, guys. You can see my gravy is thick and ready. Yes, guys, that's how you want to do it. Now I'm going to turn this off now, guys. It's finished now. My brown stew chicken is finished. Yes, guys, that's how you want to do it. It's smelling so nice, guys. Have a look at it. Wow, smelling so lovely like that. Yes, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Tell me what you think about this stew chicken when you try it at home. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Yes, there you have it. That's how you want to prepare your stew chicken, guys. Until next time.